Hey there classers, are you tired of the same old village look? Well, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your class of plan scenery on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. Once you are in your village, tap the town hall. Pop-up menu will appear with several options. From the menu, tap change scenery. Here, you will see a list of sceneries you own. Some sceneries are unlocked through special events while other can be purchased in the shop. Simply scroll to the list to find you want, tap on the scenery you like to apply, and your village will instantly transfer into an epic new look. If you want to unlock more sceneries, head over to the shop. Look for the limited time sceneries or permanent ones available for purchase with gems or real money. Now, your village look awesome. Why not show it to your clanmates? Take a screenshot or share a reply of your battles with the new scenery in action. And that's it. Changing your scenery in Clash of Clans on your iPhone is super simple. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.